Cutting power to the red wire with a float switch prevents the HVAC system from running when condensate water rises and risks overflow. A float switch mounts in the drain pan or condensate line and closes an electrical circuit when water reaches a set height, allowing it to interrupt the red wire that supplies 24-volt control power to the air handler or furnace. To implement this, locate the R terminal at the control board and route the red lead through the float switch so that when it trips, the control circuit is opened. Use a normally closed float switch rated for low voltage control circuits and confirm wiring with a multimeter before energizing the system. Secure the switch so the float moves freely and seal any mounting holes to prevent secondary leaks into the cabinet. Label the altered wiring clearly and add a visible tag instructing occupants not to bypass the switch, because bypassing defeats the safety function. Test the installation by pouring water into the pan until the switch trips and verify the system stops and the thermostat shows loss of call for cooling. Common mistakes include installing the float switch on an incorrect pipe or in a place where debris prevents the float from moving freely, which is fixed by cleaning the pan and placing the switch where water accumulates. Using a switch with the wrong electrical rating, which you correct by selecting a switch specified for 24 volts control circuits and the expected load, and failing to secure or label the modified red lead, which you resolve by fastening the wiring with strain relief, using proper connectors, and attaching a clear service tag so technicians and occupants understand the modification. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors for HVAC and drainage work and offers resources on safety devices like float switches. We connect contractors with jobs and host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips and troubleshooting advice.